Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your date of birth on your Facebook account. So now let's go ahead and get started right into the video. First thing you need to do is to open up the Facebook app. Once you have done this, you want to click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. And then you want to click on See Your Profile at the top of the page. Then you want to go ahead and click Edit Profile underneath your name. From here, you want to scroll down. And then at the very bottom, it's going to say edit your about info. So you want to go ahead and click that. From here, you get to see your work. You can add work. You can add your education. You can add places where you lived, your contact info, your birthday's at. You want to go click edit beside basic info. From here, it's going to take you to this page. And at the very top of the screen, you can change your date of birth. So just click on your birthday and change it to whatever you'd like. So I'll just do this. So I change it to here. All you need to do once you're done changing your birthday, just scroll down and click save. And that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helps. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video.